Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can delete the page at Lucidchart. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Now under the canvas is the footer. Here we can see what page we are working on. And as you can see we have a couple of pages in here. And there is a couple of options too. We can add more pages to our projects by clicking the plus button. Rearrange the tabs by dragging and dropping. And double-click on the text within them to rename a page view. Right-click on a page tab or click the drop-down icon to pull up options to rename, duplicate or delete a page or convert a page into a master page. So every time you open this project, the master page will be this one. If you really need to delete this page, all you have to do is click on delete. However, if you did this without paying attention, you can click undo button to bring back the page. You can watch my Lucidchart tutorial video to learn more about how to use Lucidchart, link in the description. So hopefully this video helped you out, and bye bye.